Wow, beautiful, beautiful snake. Yikes. I've never seen a viper on this trail at all. And then, oops. Wow, and it's really beautiful, nice pattern. Probably recently shed. It's moving very slowly through the rain. It's been raining here about the last hour. Wow, exceptional looking snake, man. Okay, here's a pit viper. These are really common down in Phuket, but here in Krabi I haven't seen them before. It's raining today. It's really rainy for the last hour, and I'm on top of a mountain. So we're at a 500-foot elevation, approximately. I'm sorry, 1,500 feet elevation, approximately. And this little, I think it's a female, was just cruising from the leaves here, and was just ready to go. Was just crossing the path and just ready to get into the leaves there, and I wouldn't have seen her at all. But yeah, the coloration is just so nice. It was impossible to miss her. Oh, an exceptional snake. So these are, I believe these have been deadly in the past to people that have been bitten, probably because they didn't go to the hospital right away. And these snakes love to eat small geckos, frogs, and pretty much whatever's available. Rats, if they happen to see one. They're pit vipers, so they sense the heat. He's probably picking up the heat of my body. He looks like he's ready to strike now. Yeah, he's ready to strike. Wow, awesome snake, awesome. So I'll push him over into the leaves down here, because there's going to be people. I think there'll be people walking up the path, and I don't want to have them anywhere near people. I brought my snake bag today, but there's no real point in catching them. I think I'm able to get decent photos and videos. Oops. And that's really all I want to get. I wish I had my other camera today, but it doesn't do well in the rain. Alright, I'll take some more photos.